What's up, man? Wake up. Today is my birthday. And I'm 36 years old. This is my birthday present. The Futaba 16 Isaac. And the Delta 40. With the Futaba 16 IZ, Delta 40. Wake up! And a happy Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2023. Let's roll. Let the birthday party begin with the Futaba 16Z Delta 40 3D. Let's race.
There you go, this is it.
Futaba 16IZ Delta 40.
Ah! Come on. All right, taxi it out. All right, good thing I cut the clog line. Let's see how she does. All right, take it off.
Take it off! Come for you.
Oh yeah, I see him.
She's passing you. What?
All right, my aileron trim is out again. Hold on.
God, I miss it. Smell like low fuel. Really? Low fuel is jet fuel.
There we go. Trimmed out. Here we go. Oh, you got me. Yahoo! Go get him, Delta 40! We got the Piranha! Oh, that Piranha's fast, baby. That Piranha doing 140 miles per hour. Woo, yeah, oh yeah, that Piranha's fast, baby. That Delta 40 can't catch it. But it's all right, the Delta 40 ain't souped up yet. It's just a test, y'all. That was sick. That was sick.
Go left. Come back downwind. Do it. Do it.
Nah, that was sick. Hey, that was sick. That was sick. I about to land in there, about to run out of gas. Yeah. I just got a small tank. My clock, I had to cut the clock line. The clock line was a little bit long.
All right. One more low pass.
All right, one more. Let's do it again. Oh, somebody take it off. All right.
There, he's taking off.
I know. I'm gonna let him take off. Landing! I'm gonna let him right to the left. That was sick. That was sick. Yeah, that was awesome. Princess Peach, 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 Princess. Yeah, Delta 40, Delta 40, Delta 40. Yeah, woo, yeah. I like Paul, my favorite buddy. Yeah, my favorite buddy right there. Princess Peach, 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 Princess Peach. Today is my birthday. Hey, my Delta comes from me like this. Ran out of gas. Forgot to start the kill switch. Sorry. All right, we're gonna go again with the Futaba 69Z Delta 40 versus the Piranha plug and play. That's the plane I was looking for right there. Here she is. Finally, Delta 40 get to meet it, and this is the one of my dream. Let's race. Delta 40 versus the Piranha 2021 Seagull Racer Delta 40 versus the 2022 Flex Innovation Piranha. Flex Innovation. Flex Innovation. Got the timer set for 6 minutes. Yahoo! Oh, Piranha beating me. But that's all right. Oh, didn't touch the goal, full throttle. That was sick.
Bye, Daryl. See ya.
Oh!
Come the burger.
No! I'm getting left with the doors. This is what I want. This is 40. This is what I want. Piranha. That was sick. That was sick. Woo! That was sick. I got 3 minutes. Blink, 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 blink. All right, cool. Blink, 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 blink. I'm turning now. Blink, 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 blink. Oh, that was sick, bro! Oh my God, that was sick. That was sick. All right.
I'm a land.
Yeah, me too. I'm a land. That was sick. Blink, 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 blink. Oh, Mr. Smooth landing. Team Futaba Kim Cali. Speed Fresh, the RC celebrity.
All right, I'm gonna catch it.
I'm gonna get my plane off the runway. Yeah, you good. I'm right over there, Paul. I'm right over there. All right, runway clear, all yours. Princess Peach, Princess Peach, Princess Peach, blue truck. Princess Peach, blue truck, red truck, white truck. Motorcycle. There we go. You got it, Paul. You got it. Oh, he almost had it. He almost had it. Yeah, let's go.
Come back left.
This is 13th flight. Oh, that was sick. plink, 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 plim, plink, plink, plim, plink, plink, plim, plink, plink, plim, plink, plim, plink, plink, plim, plink, 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 plim, 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 plink.
Keep going that way, just do opposing.
Alright, I'll take the one way. Plim, plink, plink, plim. Yeah, I'm turning right now. Plim, plink, plink, plim, plink, plink, plim, plink, plink, plim, plink, plink, plim, plink. Oh!
Alright, come back to your right. Let's do it again.
Yeah, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh shit! Oh, hold on! I messed up! Let's do it again. I'll take right. You take left. I'm turning now.
Turn it in.
Plim, blink, blink, plim, blink, blink, plim, blink, blink, plim, blink, blink. Oh! Let's do that again. I'll take left.
Okay, I'll take right.
All right, I'm turning in right now. I'm ready far out though. Plim, blink, blink, plim, blink, blink, plim, blink. All right, let's do it again. Alright. Hold on, I'm gonna turn. I messed up. I'm circling around, Paul. Ooh-wee.
Let's go up.
Alright.
And then come back down, hauling butt. Go ahead, turn over.
Ooh-wee.
Alright, I'm gonna roll over you like this.
Alright. Yeah. That was sick. Hey, that was awesome. Plim, blink, blink, plim, blink, blink, plim, blink, blink, plim,
Alright, how slow can we go?
blink, blink, blink.
Let's go slow. Real slow up at the runway.
Yeah, that was sick. Got 1 minute left. All right, time to land. Landing. Princess Peach, 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 blue truck, green truck, orange truck. Yeah! Woo!
Oh yeah, that's right. What did you hit it? Or did somebody? I think so.
right, coming out. Taking off. It's the number 15 flight. Watch out for that jet. Yeah, you good there. Here comes a full-size plane, full-size Cessna. I got 2 minutes left. But Dennis took off. Oh. Trimmed out now. Got 1 more minute. Almost out of gas. All right, I'm landing.
You're landing?
Yeah. Thank you. Yep. All right, Dennis, one way clear, all yours. Oh, there's no retract. Delta 40 don't have retracts. Approved plane, Delta 40. Run to the gas. The low end is too lean. All right, guys, that's it. Subscribe. All right, guys, there you have it. The 69Z, Delta 40, and the Piranha Plug and Play 3D. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and hit that like button so you won't miss any of my videos. Peace out and happy birthday to Team Futaba Speed Fresh. The RC celebrity. Oh, yeah, me kissing the 69Z, baby.